Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing in your Android. So the Android 12 or 13 beta update and the Telegram updates, many users says the media folder has been hidden and they are not finding the downloaded files on Telegram. So if you have this problem with your Telegram, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, you just have to open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on this apps, tap that manage apps, and then you have to find out Telegram, and then first tap on this auto start on these both toggles. Now go back and now tap on this app permission, choose your photos and videos and make sure it's allow. Go back and scroll down, tap on this battery saver, choose no restriction, and now tap on this storage and tap on this clear data, tap manage space and tap on this clear cache. Now go back from here and open your Telegram application, open up a conversation, try to download something, and after that open the files app, tap on this Android, tap media, scroll down to our Telegram and you will find your downloaded data here. If you don't get it here, scroll down and go for download folder and you will find your files. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.